Previously on Phillips FamBam.
Ethan's gonna pretend like he's sleeping, but we all know he's awake. Shh, you're not fooling anybody. Okay, time to move this couch, and I'm honestly a little worried about what's gonna be under there. Let's see how bad this is.
Now we are just finishing up eating.
Okay. Boom, so here's Emberlyn's house.
I just want them, but it says change house, but I don't have enough.
We thought that we would sit down and try to answer as many as we could. Questions to me, questions to Danny, questions to the kids. We'll start with this one. This is from FYI, this is me.
So yes, we love vlogging, and yes, sometimes
it's a lot of words. Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to another vlog. It is like late afternoon right now. We have kind of just been hanging out today, kind of taking it easy. It's crazy because when you live in Vegas, it's so hot outside that really we usually just stay in and try to find creative things to do here at home. So the days can get long, the days can be boring sometimes. But tonight we are gonna be heading to a restaurant. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going yet, but I will tell you, I don't know, maybe it's in the title, I have no idea. But we are going to go out to dinner as a family, have a good time, just kind of get out of the house, kind of, and just, you know, enjoy each other. Right now, I actually have to go downstairs. I have dishes I have to do. Danny and Brayden are at work once again. You guys, the business here that Danny just opened is booming. We're super, super excited about that, but that calls for like a million times more work for Danny to do, which if you guys know Danny, you know he already has a million quadrillion things going on. But if anyone can handle it, it's him, and I think it's awesome that Brayden gets to go with him and kind of learn the trade and do all that, learn kind of the work ethic, see what Danny does day in, day out. So that's really awesome. I'm glad they get to spend that time together and work and do all of that. Right now, let's go check on the little kids. Ashlyn's at a friend's house. Let's go check on the three little ones, see what they're up to.
Okay guys, right now we're gonna play some googly eyes.
Oh yeah, baby.
What's up? Googly eyes! Googly, 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 googly! Oh my gosh, guys, my mom is crazy.
All right, Ethan and Emberlyn are up first. Emberlyn's gonna roll so she can know which card. What is it?
5.
5. So move 5 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So blue. So now
No!
you pick a card. Emberlyn picks a card.
Okay.
And then you
Can't
read the blue section to yourself, what you have to draw.
That's kind of good.
And then you get the blue lenses and the googly eyes that you have to draw with the googly eyes. And Ethan has to guess what you drew.
What the?
How hard is it to see in those?
Blurry.
Blurry?
I can barely even see you.
You think you could draw your picture with those? You're gonna have to try.
Mom, you take them on.
Okay,
Guys, look.
Okay, you can barely see.
We should let the camera try it on.
That's hard. That's gonna be hard.
we
Let's
should
see if we
let
can let the camera try it on. All right, guys, here you go. Googly eyes. Googly.
It's a little blurry on here when you do it. Guys, in real life, it's actually really blurry.
Okay, so Emberlyn is first up to draw. This right here is what she has to try to draw, and Ethan has to guess it in 45 seconds. So here we go.
Wait.
All right, here we go. We got the timer going. Got Emberlyn drawing. What could it be, Ethan?
A human, a frog. Headphones.
Remember, this makes it super hard. Hey, you're doing pretty good, Bems.
Oh no,
A cart. No.
Yeah.
A shopping cart. A car. A race car.
Oh, you got it! Good job!
Got that in like, let's see.
You had like 15 seconds left.
Yeah, you had like.
Good job.
this is shortcut.
But that's a pretty good race car, Emberlyn. That's not bad at all.
I had it on, like I saw like a little part where I can see really good, so that's the part that I stayed on.
Yeah, good job. Okay, next up is me and Elijah. Elijah has chosen to guess, and I will be the drawer. So, here we go. I have to draw this in 15 seconds, and Elijah has to guess it in 15 seconds. So, we'll see how this goes. I seriously can't even see this paper. Oh my gosh.
A circle.
You guys, I can't even see. All right. Oh my gosh. How did you do that, Emberlyn?
Mom, hurry! A hot dog.
It's done.
Sorry, Lash.
What is that?
Flying saucer.
What's a saucer?
Okay, guys, right now they're up. Let's see.
TV. Car. Truck. What is that?
Googly eyes are actually really hard.
Truck.
You can't even see with the blue ones.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Did I do
That was
bad?
good! Okay.
Hello Kitty.
Hello, Katie. Oh, that would have been a good one, dang it.
You said that is a girl.
All right, you guys, we are getting ready to head out to dinner right now. Danny got home. We're all starving. We're all ready to go. We're surprising the kids somewhat where we're going. We actually know where we're going, but we're not telling Ethan because he doesn't love the area that it's in. We're going out to eat, and it's literally going to be just us and the 3 little ones. Ashlyn's with a friend. Braden's going to the movies. So we're going to go spend a little less money than we normally do when we take everybody. You ready for dinner, dude?
Where are we going?
I don't know. You ready for dinner? We're gonna eat some grub.
Hey, what's up everybody? First time on the vlog today, and we are at, as you guys know, Tina said that we were gonna be taking the kids out to dinner, but we did not want to say where because it's really close to the strip. Ethan does not like going down on the strip, so we are here at, what is this? Either Hard Rock Cafe, Hard Rock Hotel, or Planet Hollywood, one of those. I think they all connect. But we're gonna head over to the Rainforest Cafe, you guys. We have yet to eat there as a family, so this is gonna be a first for us. We're gonna try it out, let you guys know what we get, and take you along with us. All right, so we were walking to the restaurant. We had to go through the hotel. Now we're back outside, and it is hot. It's actually been kind of humid, huh?
Yeah, it's like very humid.
It's like,
That's what I was just saying right now. It feels humid out here.
yeah, it's like you're walking and you could feel the air.
Yeah, to be honest, it's like California.
Yeah.
In California, it's so humid and everything.
Serious. Actually, right now we're gonna be passing a restaurant that all of you guys have recommended that we go to, and we're probably gonna go here one day coming up and check it out. It's right here. Boom, Nacho Daddy. Right there. One day we will go here and try it out. We've had so many of you guys recommend it, but we just have not had the chance to do it. Tonight's Rainforest Cafe. I think Tina and I, we might come down here and try it out. Boom. We getting closer, Elijah?
Yeah.
Closer and closer.
Ethan
Wait.
thinks I'm cringy.
Why?
I don't know. Because on the 4th of July, when we were lighting fireworks, I said, light 'em up,
Oh.
He's like, that was so cringy.
Give me your cringe face. All right, I think we're getting closer. Not sure exactly where to go, but oh, there it is. I see it. You see it?
I see it.
You see it?
I see the VR.
Oh. Oh, check out the VR.
I tried the VR.
You want to try the VR? All right, we got one at home.
Wait, no.
Oh shoot, what happened right now? Now it's like a rainstorm, you guys.
You can see like lights flashing up
What do you got there?
a tiger.
Oh,
Feel it.
so soft. All right, they just called us, so now this is where the adventure begins. price is already pretty cool, man. We were getting a little impatient with the wait, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Wow, so already I like the menu. It's kind of like our family style food where it's almost like it can't go wrong.
Where it's all healthy.
Yes.
All of it.
Oh, Ethan, let's see that. What is that, blue icy? Did you get a toy? There's a toy underneath? Oh, that's pretty cool. What'd you get, Emberlyn?
I got the bird with the red one.
Whoa. Whoa, Elijah. Got the frog, dude. That's awesome.
Guys, these are bigger than I thought they would be. Guys,
That's so cool.
there's a little toy on the bottom.
Oh, there's a toy? Let me see.
See how I got the little parrot? Then there's the parrot toy at the bottom that you can untwist and have.
Whoa, you gotta open it and show us.
If I could hear my father's voice.
Whoa, that's the toy you get?
Yeah, and you can even move the arms like that.
That's
And
fun.
So it was like this, like with both arms like that. And you can also move the tail and body.
What'd you get, dude?
Frog toy.
Let me see.
It's on repeat. Drinking water.
Ready, we are going to transform.
I'm thinking about you.
All right, so it is now the boys' turn to go to the bathroom. So Emerald and I are here hanging out, partying it up with the gorillas. What do you think of this place?
It's amazing.
What's your favorite part?
All of it.
All of it, you guys hear that? That's how amazing this place is. Emberlyn loves all of it. So much so that she's on my phone right now. Emberlyn, you're in a rainforest. You shouldn't be on the phone. You're in a rainforest. All right, food has arrived. Look at that, taco salad for me. That looks amazing. Emberlyn got the amazing mac and cheese. That actually looks really good, Emberlyn. Ethan got this huge appetizer. This olive's delicious though. We've got mozzarella cheese sticks. I don't know what those are.
It's a spinach artichoke dip.
Oh, but those are like southwestern rolls or something.
Like a honey mustard, I think.
And then some chicken. I will be curious how much of this Ethan eats. And then what'd you get, babe?
I got the Parmesan chicken sandwich. Oh, look at that.
Oh dang, that looks good. Elijah, what'd you get, dude?
Too many cheeseburgers.
You got 2 cheeseburgers, man? They're not that small though. Those look like McDonald's size.
Nice.
Awesome.
Macaroni is actually really good.
It's really good? Like homemade, huh?
A little.
A little good?
No, like it's a little bit like homemade.
A little bit like homemade? All right, you guys, time to grub down.
This is amazing with dog food.
It is? Oh, like how good?
That I'm thinking about you.
All right, so you guys, first time eating here, I'm gonna tell you something. This food is so tasty. Like, it's flavorful. This Parmesan chicken sandwich is probably one of the best sandwiches I've had. It's so good. How do you feel about your food, dude?
Good.
How is your taco salad? Yeah, I totally can smell like the beef right now. Like I can smell it.
Really good.
Yeah?
I know a taco salad sounds so boring, but it is so good.
Compare it to Harry's. Ooh.
They're about the same.
Yeah?
I love Harry's. I do love Harry's.
All right, so we just finished up eating and we are getting dessert. And so I'm gonna share the volcano, the sparkling volcano with Elijah. Ethan and Emberlyn are getting root beer floats and Tina's getting the
Key lime pie.
Whoa, look at that volcano. What? Dude, Elijah, what do you think, man?
Oh boy.
I'm thinking about you.
Okay, Ethan, let's rate this place 1 to 10. What do you give it? Be honest. Okay, we'll come back. Amberlyn, 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
It's not gonna be 1 to 10, but it's gonna be 6,000 to 10.
Oh, so what do you rate it? 6,000? Oh my goodness. Ethan? 30?
A 3.
Oh, a 3. Oh.
Minus 2.
Oh.
From 4. A 1 and a 1.
Okay, I'm so confused.
Minus 1.
You lost me at 3. No, but really, what is it?
And it's also out of 10.
Out of 8. I like that answer.
It's filling, but that's a good thing. But the chocolate's so rich.
What about the food, though?
The food is good.
Yeah.
It's just the mozzarella sticks, they weren't cheesy enough.
I agree. I wasn't a fan of the mozzarella sticks.
love them.
I typically like those.
Usually when I eat a mozzarella stick, the cheese stretches, and I like that.
That one didn't
But this
stretch.
It's like a tough.
You know what it was like?
What?
String cheese.
Yes.
Yes.
loved it. I loved it.
All right, babe. 1 out of 10. What do you rate it?
1 through 10?
1 out of 10. 1 through 10.
1 out of 10.
Anyways, you know what I was saying.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with an 8 out of 10.
Ooh, that's what Ethan said.
I'm going
Guys,
with an 8.
Wow.
I'm actually changing it, not 6,000. It's gonna be higher. Like, it's gonna be, I would say like a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Emberlyn ate all of her food.
All of
So
it.
that's a sign that usually she doesn't.
She did good with her food. Lige, what about you?
9.5.
Oh.
That you know. And I'm thinking about.
All right, you guys, I would say it was a successful evening. What do you guys say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slept in the car.
Time for bed, right?
I'm not really that tired.
All right, should we close this out? What do you guys want to say to our awesome and amazing FamBammers?
Thank you guys for watching. Yeah. Subscribe. Comment down below. Hit the bell. Cafe to go to. And don't forget to lick that like button.
Lick the like button.
Comment down below if you did that.
I sure hope no one licked it.
Choose your cafe. Choose your day. Choose your day. Good thing to do.